It's coming in at this point in time. A big statement has come from Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, who has in fact taken a clear position against those who are still soft on Pakistan, supporting Pakistan in some way or the other, or in a way trying to give a clean chit to Pakistan. Assam Chief Minister has said that NSA will be slapped against those directly or indirectly backing Pakistan. Now, viewers, this warning comes after AIUDF MLA Aminul Islam was arrested for allegedly supporting Pakistan after the Pahalgam terror attack, with the kind of statement that he had made. Listen in to what the Chief Minister of Assam has said.
और ये भी मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि जो डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली पाकिस्तान को सपोर्ट करेगा उनका ऊपर हम एनएसए भी लगा देगा। और ये भी मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि जो डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली पाकिस्तान को सपोर्ट करेगा उनका ऊपर हम एनएसए भी लगा देगा।
Let's now go across to my colleague Pragya, joining us on the broadcast. More on this. Pragya, big statement they're coming in from Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma.
Well, emotions are really very high after this terror attack, and in fact, I would say, Meenakshi, that Himanta Biswa Sarma has been known and very vocal about his statements, as far as nationalism is concerned. And these are the clear directions from the Chief Minister of Assam, saying that anyone who is directly or indirectly supporting Pakistan will be arrested and will be also, NSA will be slapped on them. This is a very big statement that has come from them, and also the police has started the crackdown on any person, in fact, intensified the crackdown, any person who is speaking for Pakistan and also inciting anti-national sentiments. And, there is a very large scope of inciting such communal statements as far as Pakistan is concerned. And these are the warnings that have been issued directly from the Chief Minister's office. He has always been of the opinion that when it comes to terror, when it comes to nation, nothing is above that. And we have laws to contain that anti-national sentiment, and we will use that. While the sedition law has been done away with, but it does not mean that if you commit treason, which is against the country, if you are standing with a country that has imposed terror on our country and our own soil, you will be spared. You will not be spared, and this is the larger message that is being sent by Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma.
Right, a big statement there coming in, Pragya, from the Assam Chief Minister, and the timing is also important because this comes after AIUDF MLA Aminul Islam was in fact arrested for making a statement that allegedly seemed to support Pakistan after the dastardly Pahalgam terror attack.
Absolutely, and not just him. There are 8 other persons, including this MLA, who have been arrested for having this anti-national sentiments and, for making a comment that says that, be it Pulwama or be it Pahalgam, everything was orchestrated by the government of India. That was the larger allegation that MLA made, and this is exactly the reason why Chief Minister took a very strong stand and said, we will not tolerate it. If you are for the Pakistan and standing with the Pakistan and casting aspersions on our own country and the government, then you have to be put behind bars. That means that you are not speaking the language of the country, you are not speaking language of the people who are the citizens of the country. And this is exactly the reason why he has come out today and said that anyone, be it anyone, it could be MLA, MP, anyone who will be speaking for the Pakistan or seems to be speaking, standing with the Pakistan, they will not be tolerated, and NSA will be slapped against them. Remember, the emotions are quite high. There are tragedy has struck on many families, and the kind of scenes that we had seen after terror attack and the families who had went through that trauma, that has put many people, made many people angry, and that has also led to the government saying that we have zero tolerance policy for terror and we will take revenge. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken from the Bihar when he said that, we will go to any length to track those who had in fact perpetrated this crime, and especially the handlers also. So all of that sentiment has been echoed not by just the centers, but also BJP ruled states are also at least echoing these particular sentiments, and this also gives boost to the center and many others who are speaking in the same voice.
Right. Pragya, request you to stay on with us. We have Dikanto Kalita, spokesperson of the BJP from Assam, joining us on the broadcast as well. Good afternoon. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. A big statement there has come from the Chief Minister that if in fact, somebody speaks against the country or in a way makes a pro-Pak statement, after this dastardly terror attack in Pahalgam, then if needed, NSA will be slapped on them. How will you like to respond?
देखिए, मुख्यमंत्री जी ने एक्सपोस्ट भाषा बोला है। कोई भी विधायक, कोई भी सांसद, कोई भी मतलब इंडियन, कोई अगर पाकिस्तान का सपोर्ट में ये जो हमला हुआ था, पाकिस्तान का सपोर्ट में या पाकिस्तान इन फेवर ऑफ पाकिस्तान का सपोर्ट में कुछ बात होता है तो उसका ऊपर नजर रख रहे हैं। एक AUDF का विधायक था और AIDF का सिंह का अमीनुल इस्लाम, उन्होंने भी कुछ ऐसा रखा था। उनको इमीडिएटली अरेस्ट किया है, अभी पुलिस कस्टडी में है। और हम लोग को भी इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया हुआ है, कोई भी पाकिस्तान का फेवर में कुछ बात करे तो उनको इमीडिएटली उसको लोकेट करके चीफ मिनिस्टर का नॉलेज में देने के लिए बोला है। हमारा मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर हिमंत बिस्वा शर्मा जी ने स्पष्ट भाषा से बोला है, जो भी इंडिया का अगेंस्ट में बात करेगा ये इशू, पहलगाम इशू, इसको कड़ी से कड़ी नजर रख रहा है। और उसी तरह से हम लोग भी हमारा क्षेत्र में कोई भी ऐसा व्यक्ति अगर है उसको ऊपर नजर अगर रखना है और उसको अगर हम लोग लोकेट करता हूँ इमीडिएटली उसको लीगल एक्शन होगा। और ये बात के लिए मैं मुख्यमंत्री जी को धन्यवाद देता हूँ। इतना स्ट्रिक्ट उन लोग एक डिसीजन लिया है। शायद असम में 6-7 प्रो पाकिस्तानी शायद अरेस्ट हुआ है इन असम। इसको हम लोग वेलकम करता हूँ और ये जो कश्मीर का घटना हुआ था उसको हम लोग बहुत निंदा भी करता हूँ।
जी, दिगंता कालिता जी, हमसे बात करने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर शेयरिंग विद अस योर पर्सपेक्टिव ऑन दिस। थैंक यू प्रज्ञा फॉर योर इनपुट्स एज वेल ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टोरी।